Hello YouTube, Vega Vibes here. Well, we got her done. I got the seal in finally. But not without the 3 hours of work trying to pull this out of there. The tool, the street side tool that they sell to remove this did not work. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money. I paid $76 for this with 2 seals and it didn't work. I ended up grinding inside there to get it to fit the shaft. It wouldn't fit, so I used the Dremel to bore it out some. Finally got it to fit, and I put it in. It went in all the way. You know, I had to put a lot of pressure on it because you can't really get in there. I can't see what I'm doing while I'm down there. The transmission's in place. You can't see. So I finally got it in there, and I went to put in the bolt that came with it, and it was at an angle like this because it was hitting the transmission hump, so I couldn't get it in there straight. So I ended up using the fuel pump bolt. I have an extra one laying around, and this fit in there. And so I cranked it down, and I noticed that it was coming up, and it just pulled right out. It's not enough to grab the metal part of it. It was just enough to tear up the seal some more. That's it. That's all it did. So, what did I do? Alright, so I ended up getting the cheapest screwdriver I had, the cheapest flathead. I grinded down flat so I could slide it in between the shaft and the seal, and I just kept pulling up on it and pulling up on it. And it took so long, you know, but I wouldn't give up. I even thought about removing the transmission to get to it. And luckily she finally came out. You can see what it did there. I don't know if you can see that, but it was falling apart. And I ended up using a mirror to look from the top so that I can see what I'm doing, because you can't see what's going on in there. But anyway, I got it done. The seal went in. It was actually the one they sent me the first time. I'm still waiting for the other seal because it's a package deal. You get both seals for $727 and $904. And this is the part number in case anybody needs that seal for $904. It's TO-15, or you can go by this number here, 30522. It's made by ATP Automotive. That's the one that fit. And so this is the driver. You're supposed to put the seal on there, put this over the top, and hammer it down. Well, this doesn't fit the shaft either. And so I ended up using a socket. I used that and hammered it down, hammered it into place. And what else do we do? Oh, I ended up replacing this ring terminal from the reverse switch because I slipped so many times with the screwdriver. I ended up breaking this off, so I replaced that quickly. What else did we do here? Oh, let me take you along. Let me take the mirror with me. So, there's the cable setup. Got her all in. It was fairly easy to do. Wasn't so bad. See the springs those are the springs that came with it, the return springs. That allow me to remove this big old heavy duty spring that I had laying here, attached from here to this homemade bracket that I made. And there it is. It worked out. That's how she comes around. I have enough slack in case anything ever happens. I can readjust and cut. This one here I still need to cut, but I want to get done at the transmission end before I do that. And yeah, let's go down there and check it out. mirror because you're not going to be able to see it. Okay, so there it is there. Put the mirror there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's in there. And it's not leaking. So she's done. Finally. Now all I have to do is put all the levers back in there, attach the shifter, and here's the cable. Here's the cable. It goes on here. Well, looks like I have to move this wire here, but I'll get that done. And that's it. After that, I think I need to work on the speedo cable here because I had it connected. And after the break-in, I went down the street and I noticed that the speedometer wasn't working. So I need to check that out. But yeah, other than that, she's done. No more leak. I can put the car back down. I don't know of anything else that I need to do down here except for finish up the exhaust, but that's going to stay like that for the first 500 miles for the break-in. After that, I'll finish the exhaust system. So yeah, that'll do it for now. By the time I get ready to do another video, I'll have the new camera in. It's on order, and I don't have to worry about running out of space to record anymore. And maybe I'll learn how to edit and all that other stuff that I don't know how to do. Anyway, you guys enjoy your weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye.